The heart of our solar system, the Sun. Our solar system is a bustling place, full of planets, moons, and other celestial objects. But at its heart lies a star, the mighty Sun. The Sun is a giant ball of hot gas. It provides light and heat to all the planets in our solar system. Without the Sun, life on Earth would not be possible. The Sun is so large that it could fit over 1 million Earths inside of it. The Sun is mostly made up of hydrogen and helium. These gases are constantly undergoing nuclear reactions, which release tremendous amounts of energy. This energy travels to Earth in the form of light and heat. The Sun's gravity is what keeps all the planets in our solar system orbiting around it. It's like an invisible string, holding everything together. The Sun is also responsible for some of the beautiful phenomena we see in the sky. For example, the auroras, also known as the northern and southern lights, are caused by charged particles from the Sun interacting with Earth's atmosphere. These particles create stunning displays of light and color in the sky near Earth's poles. Solar flares, which are sudden bursts of energy from the Sun's surface, can also impact Earth, sometimes disrupting communication systems. Planetary Promenade, a tour of our celestial neighbors. Orbiting our Sun are 8 diverse planets, each with its own unique characteristics. Let's embark on a quick tour of these celestial neighbors. Closest to the Sun is Mercury, a small rocky planet with a very thin atmosphere. It's a world of extremes, experiencing scorching hot days and freezing cold nights. Next in line is Venus, often called Earth's sister planet due to their similar size and composition. However, Venus is a very different world, with a thick, toxic atmosphere that traps heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. Then comes our home, Earth, the only known planet to harbor life. Its unique atmosphere and the presence of liquid water make it a haven for countless species. Moving outward, we encounter Mars, the red planet, known for its rusty red surface caused by iron oxide. Mars has a thin atmosphere and is home to the largest volcano in our solar system, Olympus Mons. Beyond Mars lies the asteroid belt, a region populated by countless rocky bodies. This debris field is thought to be the remnants of a planet that never fully formed. Venturing further, we enter the realm of the gas giants. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is a swirling mass of gas with a great red spot, a giant storm that has raged for centuries. Next is Saturn, renowned for its stunning ring system composed of ice and rock particles. Uranus, an ice giant, rotates on its side, giving it extreme seasons. Finally, we reach Neptune, a blue giant with supersonic winds and a faint ring system. Each of these planets contributes to the intricate tapestry of our solar system. Between and beyond, asteroids, comets, and dwarf planets. While planets may be the main characters in our solar system's story, other celestial objects play supporting roles. Scattered throughout our solar system are asteroids, remnants from the early formation of our solar system. Most asteroids reside in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. These rocky bodies vary in size, from small pebbles to objects hundreds of miles in diameter. Comets, often called dirty snowballs, are icy bodies that release gas and dust when they approach the Sun. This creates a visible tail that can stretch for millions of kilometers. Comets originate from the outer regions of our solar system, in the Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud. Beyond Neptune's orbit lies the Kuiper Belt, a region similar to the asteroid belt but composed mainly of icy objects. This region is home to dwarf planets, celestial bodies that are large enough to be rounded by their own gravity but have not cleared their orbital path of other objects. Pluto, once considered the 9th planet, is now classified as a dwarf planet residing in the Kuiper Belt. Other dwarf planets include Eris, Makemake, and Haumea. These distant worlds provide valuable insights into the early solar system and the processes that led to its formation. Section 4. The uniqueness of our cosmic home. Our solar system is a unique and special place in the vastness of the universe. Its specific arrangement of planets, with rocky worlds closer to the Sun and gas giants farther out, is not common among other known planetary systems. The presence of a stable, long-lived star like our Sun is essential for the existence of life as we know it. Earth's unique position within the habitable zone, the region around a star where temperatures are suitable for liquid water to exist, further contributes to its specialness. Our planet's atmosphere, magnetic field, and the presence of a large moon all play crucial roles in maintaining a stable and life-sustaining environment. The diversity of planets and other celestial objects within our solar system provides endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. From the towering volcanoes of Mars to the icy geysers of Enceladus, a moon of Saturn, our solar system is a treasure trove of scientific wonders. The study of our own cosmic neighborhood helps us understand the formation and evolution of planetary systems, providing insights into the possibility of life beyond Earth. Section 5. Fun fact: a universe of wonders. Did you know that there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth? That's a lot of stars. It's a testament to the vastness and wonder of the universe we live in.